Right. A violent AI unwind is hiding beneath a market that still looks fine. Oil jumps 7% overnight. Dimon says he wouldn't buy stocks or bonds here. Stick around, a name down 63% at the end.
Futures are soft this morning. S&P, Nasdaq and Dow all down around 1/3%. Russell dead flat. Overseas, Hang Seng's at more than 1%, Nikkei's firmer, but India's Nifty is lagging, down over 0.5%. Here's today's consensus story. Chips are just rotating. The index is fine. Yahoo's calling it a violent unwind hiding beneath a resilient market. Vertiv, semis, the AI leaders quietly bleeding while the headline number barely blinks. Flip the price and flip the story. If that unwind spreads, it's not rotation anymore. It's the AI bubble finally letting air out, and the index just hasn't caught up to the damage underneath yet. Nasdaq's QQQ closed around 703, down near 1%. The level that matters is 700. Lose that round number, and the healthy rotation story gets a lot harder to sell. Jamie Dimon isn't buying the calm either. Says he wouldn't touch stocks or treasuries here. Markets, in his words, are underestimating the risk. Coming from the head of the largest bank in America, that's not nothing. The S&P closed around 745. 750 above is the ceiling bulls want. 716 below is where the Dimon crowd starts feeling vindicated. Right now, we're sitting quietly in between. Now, before the reveal, and before I show you the stock down 63% that the herd's quietly buying, let's get through oil, Korea and crypto, fast. Oil just spiked 7% overnight. That's the kind of move that changes the inflation conversation by Friday. And treasuries and the Fed all over again. Korea's the quiet standout, the Korea ETF up over 2%, tracking a Kospi that keeps grinding to records. Same AI story, different flag, and right now the price is telling a happier tale. Bitcoin's soft, down about 0.5%, sitting near 65.6. Nothing dramatic, just cooling off after a strong run, which is usually the boring, correct read. Right, the name I promised you, Oracle, down heavily on AI data center cost worries, but the herd's quietly starting to disagree with the panic. Oracle's 63% off its high. That's the kind of drawdown that either means a broken business or the market pricing in a disaster that hasn't happened yet. Oracle's sitting around 126.50. 120 below is the line that matters. Hold it, and 130 above becomes the next test. This is the lens I use, the crowd gauge, overbought, oversold, both moving averages, stacked on one chart. It's how you separate panic from a genuine break. The herd's leaning buy on Oracle here, and conviction's climbing, not screaming, but building. That's usually the setup where the crowd front-runs the turn before the headlines admit it happened. So, that's the AI unwind, Dimon's warning, and Oracle's quiet reversal setup all in one morning. NKE, Coin and NFLX are also flashing oversold. This is analysis, not advice. PremiChart's free on the App Store, link below. See you tomorrow morning.